Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! Standard, Nursery, Junior KG, Senior KG. Subject, Drawing. Topic, Islamic symbol. Student, take A4 size paper, draw a margin with the help of scale and write the topic Islamic symbol. Now you can see I had drawn with the pencil. Now I'll show you how I had drawn. First, draw a standing line, then again standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This way you make a square. Now I had made a moon and star. Moon you can make with the help of bangle. With the help of bangle you can draw a curve and again a small curve to draw a moon. See, I'll show you. Now take a curve, big curve. Now again draw small curve. Same way for star, slant line, slant line. Same way you have to make a star. Now student, this is a Islamic symbol. Now we will color it. We will not color star and moon. We will color outer part of the star and moon with a light green color. Student, first we will color all the 4 borders. That color should not spread outside. You can color from left to right or right to left. Now up and down. I am coloring up and down for the side borders. For down borders, I am coloring left to right, right to left. After completing all the borders, now I'll same way I'll complete the moon border. So the color will not spread inside. Same way for star, I am coloring all the borders of star. Now you can do a random color like left to right, right to left. Now here I am doing from up and down color. Now again left to right, I'm coloring left to right. See, you can feel all this white portion also. After completing this, now it will look like this. This is a Islamic symbol. Thank you.